Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
The Lagos State Government has, through Commissioner for Health Lagos State Dr. Jide Idris, disclosed that the state has recorded 2 suspected cases of monkeypox. Jide Idris revealed this at a conference yesterday, saying the cases are being investigated. He said, though no confirmed case has been recorded, there is need to sensitize members of the public and provide adequate information on measures for prevention and control of the disease in line with the policy of the state government. The virus, which started in Bayelsa State, has also reached Akwa Ibom. It is not new to anyone again that there is a disease called monkeypox, with it spreading through states like Rivers, Lagos, Bayelsa, and Akwa Ibom. Recall that it was announced that avoiding some things like bushmeat, squirrels and monkey could help prevent the virus. Well, here are additional prevention measures to be taken to avoid the deadly disease. How it is contacted. Monkeypox occurs when there is contact with the virus from an animal, human, or materials infected with the disease and enters the body through broken skin, respiratory tract, or the mucous membranes, eyes, nose, or mouth. Transmission from animal to humans occur by bite or scratch, bushmeat preparation, contact with body fluids or lesion material, or indirect contact with lesion material, such as through contaminated bedding, while human transmission occurs through large respiratory droplets, direct contact with body fluids, clothes, linens. Prevention. Avoid contact with animals like monkeys that harbor the disease, and also animals found sick or found dead in the pox-affected areas. Always wear protective gears when handling an infected patient. Practice good hygiene by cleaning hands with soap and water or alcohol-based sanitizer after coming in contact with infected animals or humans.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gboah TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe, unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gboah TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gboah TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.